see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone.
It's a call 18333 Jay knows, all right? What's going on? It's your favorite guy in the hoodie who's in a Scully cap today. Jay knows credit, back with another video. Right now I'm going to do a special that's only for YouTube. If you want to know the other special I have going on, you can run over to Instagram and check out that special. But this right here, this special is only for YouTube. Okay, so first off, if you're looking to get some inquiries removed, maybe you went and applied for a lot of things, maybe you applied for a house, they dinged your credit a lot. I know a lot of times we get a lot of clients who hit us up because maybe a certain dealership, didn't tell them that they were going to run their credit 17 times in that back office to put them in that car, So they find out later on when they're trying to buy a house or do something and they can't get anything because they have so many inquiries, okay? And so the special right now that I have for inquiries for Instagram is one thing, which I'm not going to say. If you want to know that, you run over there. But if you want to get your inquiries off of Experian, I usually do that for $100 per, and I get that off within a week. If you want to get that one done, then instead of paying that $100, it's only going to be $45. Okay, that's it, $45 per. Okay, $45 per inquiry removed off of Experian. Okay, and that's just going to be a 5 minimum to get that done. Okay, so that's going to be the first special. The second special, I have one over there for credit repair. On that one, you can go check that one out. I'm not going to put a credit repair special on there. I do have a credit expungement special that's on there. I'm not going to do that one either, but I am going to introduce a new special just right here on YouTube for a credit sweep. Now, I do know that people think that all credit sweeps are illegal, and all credit sweeps are not illegal. There are legal credit sweeps that are out there, not just the expungement that I do. There is an actual credit sweep that I find out that is 100% legal. I talk to some sheriffs and things like that, and so I'm gonna introduce that new service for only $500. Okay, $500 for a credit sweep. Okay, this is a credit sweep for all three bureaus. Remember, this is a sweep now, so you don't want nothing left. Okay, that's what a sweep is. Sweep, you don't want nothing else, like nothing. There's gonna be no positive, like no negative, like you're talking about a clean, basic slate, okay? If you want that sweep done. Okay, so I will do that if you want to get that done for $500. It is a clean sweep. Just remember that. It's not like the expungement service that only gets rid of the negative accounts, all right? So I just want to keep that and make that clear, all right? And right now, we are still doing consultations. Consultations right now are $75, and that's going to stay the same and going forward, okay? So if you want to get a consultation, maybe you just want to build up your score, okay? You just want to boost your score up. And if you're just calling just because you want to get a boost and you do not want to get your credit repaired, all you're looking for is to get a credit boost, and how you can get that credit boost, we will reduce that consultation price for you, okay? And I will give you that price once I talk to my assistant about that, okay? So you will get more information. If you call in, maybe you just want to get your score boosted, you don't know how you're going to boost it, you got everything else done, you don't have any negatives on your credit, you need to get a certain level to get a certain credit card, you need to get to a certain level to get a certain particular car, a certain house, or a certain bank loan, all right? You just want that boost. I'm going to do special consultations to help you get that boost done between me and my assistant. We're going to make sure we get that boost and also get that testimony from you for helping you get that boost to help you get that deal done, all right? But make sure you check us out, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, share with somebody else, all right? And hit us up with any credit questions you have. Remember, if it is particular to your credit profile, we're not going to be able to answer it because there's so many other things that are going to be in play that's on your credit file that we just cannot see, All right, but if you have any general questions, don't be afraid to ask us. You can give us a call or a text at 8333-J-KNOWS. That's 8333-556697. Okay, 8333-556697. Give us a call, a text. All right, and we'll be glad to answer that question if we can. And if we cannot, we will suggest just getting a consultation or just doing some more research on that. All right, thank you all for watching. Like I said, make sure you subscribe now, and I'll see you on the next video.
Having great credit will definitely change your lifestyle. You definitely want to get your credit right as soon as possible. If you need some help, give me a call. J Knows Credit, 1-833-3-J-KNOWS. Y'all know what time it is.